Many years ago, perhaps I had read the term for the first time, peak oil. You will be familiar with that term,
Yes.
peak oil. But I'm asking you this question from the point of view of crude oil pricing. We are still very largely dependent on imports,
Yeah.
and we have now seen crude oil prices cross $80 to the barrel. What is the outlook for 2025 in your view?
Like once it is beyond 80, it is in a very, we can say, very shaky level or very delicate level. It is placed at a very delicate level. It has been caused by recent incidents, recent geopolitical occurrences that have happened. That's why it has gone beyond 80. And going forward, and whatever is the effect of that is very, effect will be there. If you say that effect is not there, effect will be there. So, but in my considered sense, and we have a very detailed analysis that we go on doing because this is the bread and butter for us. So, in our considered view, the range of 75 to 80 is where the crude will be settling for this year. And in my preference and in my analysis, personal analysis, it will be more towards 75 than towards 80, between the range of 75 to 80. So, it will be somewhere there.
What will this mean for consumers? The reason I ask you that now it's possibly the third year running where pump prices, retail prices have remained static. It's a policy decision. But do you see that changing anytime soon?
Actually, we have to have a very delicate balance. Again, I'll say the consumer prices and our economy is one of the most robust ones which has maintained the crude prices or the pump prices, as you call them, at a very stable rate without hurting the consumer at all. The fluctuations have been enormous. You have seen $120 also, you have seen $80 also, you have seen $60, $70 also. We have seen everything here. The policy taken by the government, and that is the initiative taken by the oil marketing companies also, that we have borne the brunt when it went to 101, then we suffered losses. And then we made up some of the losses when the things went okay. So we are keeping a very close watch on the consumer prices. We are not insulating ourselves from the consumer plight, but at the same time we have to be very aware of how the economy will respond to these kind of fluctuations, and they have to be insulated from these kind of fluctuations. These are vagaries, I'll call.